One particularly bizarre hybrid is the Beefalo, a cross between a domestic cow and an American bison. Originally bred to create a hardier livestock breed, Beefalo inherit the size and muscular build of bison while retaining the domesticated nature of cattle. They produce leaner meat with lower cholesterol, making them an attractive alternative to traditional beef. Because of their adaptability, Beefalo can thrive in a variety of environments, making them a valuable asset to ranchers in certain regions.